Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, brought to you by Easy Immigration Help. My name is Busayo Fashide. I'm an immigration attorney. I've practiced immigration law for almost 13 years now. We're receiving questions every week by Friday, and we'll be taking them on Saturday. So this Ask the Lawyer sessions will be occurring every Saturday afternoon. We're going to be holding live sessions as well on Instagram, and maybe feed it to our Facebook page as well. So for today, we have two questions that we're going to be considering, and I want to appreciate everyone that submitted questions. Today, the first question is about adult adoption. We have a 36-year-old who is going to be adopted by a United States citizen. So the person wanted to know if they can obtain immigration benefits through the adoption. Unfortunately not. The relevant section for you is section 101, subsection BE of the Immigration and Nationality Act, which defines who a child is for immigration purposes. And for adopted children, the relationship has to have been completed before the age of 16. So for you to gain immigration benefits through adoption, the relationship must be completed before you turn the age of 16. There's a special exception for siblings of adopted children, so they can still gain benefits if they're adopted before they turn 18. But generally, on a general note, you have to have the relationship must have been established legally, fully, before the age of 16. So I'll move on to the second question. The second question is about renewal of work authorizations. To renew your work authorizations, you can't for you to renew your work authorizations, you have to wait until at least 180 days before the current work authorization expires. So you get a calendar out and you count it, you calculate it. There's some very good online calendars which I use in my private practice. So you can use those. You put in the date of expiration, then you deduct 180 days from it. So then you are within the window. When if you fall within that time frame, then you're within the window for you to renew the work authorization. So that's all the questions I have for this week. Please send us questions. You can send it to Busayo at easyimmigrationhelp.com, or you can send it through our Instagram page. We'll be very happy to receive them. I want to assure you of the confidentiality, though my responding to the questions does not constitute an attorney or establish an attorney-client relationship. The only way we can establish one is through a mutual agreement which is signed by both you and I. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again live on our Instagram page next week.